My name is Laura and I'm from Manchester in the UK. I chose Sampoorna after speaking to a teacher back at home. She'd done her teacher training here and I loved her lessons and her practice, and it was just really very motivational to come here. I found the course really tough but really rewarding at the same time. The teachers are amazing, they're so encouraging and they've got so much depth. The teachers are great, their knowledge is so encouraging and they give us the chance to learn all these things that we wouldn't have had the chance to learn back at home. The food at Sampoorna has been great. It's really nutritious and it gives us the energy that we need to take us through our days here. The course has exceeded my expectations. There's been so much information on the history of yoga, something that I hadn't learned about back at home. And also the physical practice has just opened my eyes wide to everything that's possible. I definitely felt safe and at home here at Sampoorna. The environment is so luscious and there's so many animals here that if you have animals back at home, you'll feel just surrounded by love here at Sampoorna. I would definitely recommend Sampoorna to my friends and anyone who has interest in yoga. If you've been learning for 10 years or even just 2 years, 6 months, it's just incredible. My suggestions for future participants would be to work hard and you will reap the rewards from your dedication.